Alright guys, here is my final look. It's pretty versatile. It's the usual, you know, crochets, but I did it a shorter length this time because I wanted to do another bob, and I wanted to switch up the colors. So far I am loving this little color. It's a pretty good color for summer, definitely. And I was trying to figure out if I wanted to go shorter, which I can go shorter. I can cut it a little bit shorter if I like, but I didn't want to cut too short because I'll end up cutting off probably like all of the curl in the back. But it's still a good little bob length. I might cut it a little bit, just a wee bit. But other than that, I do like the length. This is a 10-inch. I used 6 packs. So I think it came with a pack of 8. So I have 2 more packs left. But the hair, it did have like a little weird smell. You can always wash this hair before you actually install it. And I think they said you could put in like water, conditioner, or no, water and apple cider vinegar. Do that, let it sit to get the film and all of that other stuff off, and then like co-wash it with whatever your conditioner that you choose. And I may do a video of me doing that with the hair, but I was just trying to get it in. And so yeah, but yeah, so far this hair, it doesn't feel like it's gonna be frizzy or tangly or any type of thing like that. It does still give me full effect without me packing in a bunch of hair. And I think that's all I got, guys. I think that's all I got. I just wanted something that I didn't constantly have to wear my hair in a bun if I did not want to. Now I can still like pull this back or do like, you know, wear any I'm not gonna say any style I want to, but with this length, I will say it would be harder. I mean, it will be easier. No, I was right the first time. It would be harder for me to pull it all up in a bun. Although I can still pull it up in like a cute little updo or something like that. And have some hanging or clip it up or whatever. Yeah, but I need to just get it out of my way. But other than that, yes, Guys, I love it. I love it. I love it. Of course, per usual, everything will be linked in the description below. If you want to give this hair a try, I came out today. I guess I'm trying to hurry up and get this video done before my kid wakes up. So yeah. As always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video.